Hello, good morning everyone. Good morning.
अब बोलो जोर से बोलो गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning Yatharth. Good morning Manvik. Good morning Shresht.
बैठो।
Good morning. Hello.
Good morning.
Welcome back. Welcome back to the class. Yatharth, how are you?
बोलो फाइन थैंक यू। बोलो मैम पूछ रही है यथार्थ हाउ आर यू
How are you Yatharth?
से मैम फाइन थैंक यू।
How are you? Shresht, how are you? How are you? No, how are you? I think you forgot, Hana. I think summer vacation was too long, so you forgot? That's all right. Everybody say, I am fine. Thank you.
बोलो
Okay. If somebody says good morning, you have to say, I am fine. Thank you.
बोलो
Thank you.
Very good. Well done, Yatharth. Very good. Okay, I think Manvik is also trying to say. Yes? Very good. Very good. Shresht, how are you?
How are you? Fine.
Very good. Well done. Well done. Well done. So how was your summer vacation? Summer vacation was nice? Good? You enjoyed?
Very good.
तो बोलो ना
Very good.
That's good. That's good. Hi, Manvik. Good morning, Manvik. Good morning, Manvik. Hi. How are you? You know who I brought today? आज मैं किसको लेके आई हूँ? Do you want to see someone special? आज मैं किसी special को लेके आई हूँ. Do you want to see him? हाँ? Say yes. Yes. Everybody say yes.
जोर से
Yes. So today I have brought someone special with me. Everybody look here. Say hi. Hi Tom. His name is Tom. इनका नाम क्या है? His name is Tom. Everybody say hi Tom.
हाय टॉम
Hi, Tom.
Hi. Hi Manvik. Hi Shresht. Hello. Hello. My name is Tom. My name is Tom. What is your name? What is your name? Yatharth, आप अपना नाम बता दीजिए टॉम को. Tell Tom your name. What is your name?
Hunter.
Very good. Yatharth Mittal. Yes. So Manvik, now you tell him your name. What is your name? What is your name?
Your name is?
What is your name? Very good. Now Shresht, you also tell your name to Tom. Tom को अपना name बता दीजिए श्रेष्ठ. Tell your name to Tom. Shresht, tell your name to Tom. No? That's all right. It's okay. Okay, that's all right. Okay. Everybody say hi to Tom. Hi.
बोलो
Hi.
Hello. So, with Tom, we will sing one song with Tom. Okay, we will sing good morning song. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, everybody, and how do you do. One more time, one more time. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, everybody, and how do you do? Yay! Give a clap for Tom. Everybody, give a clap for Tom. Clap, 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 clap. Very good, very good. Okay, so we will say bye to Tom now. Tom will come later. Okay, everybody say bye to Tom. Bye,
बाय तो काम
Tom.
कर
Bye,
Bye,
Tom.
हाथ
Tom.
से
Bye.
Bye, Tom.
Bye, Tom. See you later. Okay, that's good. So, now we will do some revision. Okay, थोड़ा revision करेंगे. All right. So when we meet early in the morning, जब हम morning में मिलते हैं तो what do we say? हम wish कैसे करते हैं? How do we wish our elders and friends? By saying
Good morning.
good morning. Very good, Yatharth. We say good morning. Very good. And when the sun is above our head, और जब सन हेड के ऊपर आ जाता है तो हाउ डू वी विश आवर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिलीज? वी से
बोलो जो बताओ
वी से
बोलो
वी
बोलो
से
ना क्लियर हो गया
वी से
बोलो
गुड
गुड आफ्टरनून
आफ्टरनून. वी से गुड आफ्टरनून. ओके.
Good afternoon.
Yes, Yatharth, very good. And when the sun goes down, जब sun फिर क्या
Good
जब sun
morning.
फिर
good
down चला जाता
Good
है,
evening.
then what do we say? Then what do we say, everyone? We say
Good evening.
good evening. Yes, very good, Yatharth. Well done. We say good evening. Okay. So these are the things that you should remember. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Okay. All right. So now we will. How about we?
कल पढ़ाई करो तब दूंगी
How about now we sing a rhyme? Shall we sing a rhyme? Yes?
यस मैम
Yes? Okay. It's okay. The children, I think they have come after such a long time, so they are feeling bored to do it. But that's all right. Let's sing a rhyme, okay? Let's sing a song if you're happy. 1, 2, 3, go. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really wanna show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really wanna show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, say hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, say hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say hooray, hooray! Yay! Very good. Yatharth is doing so nicely. Shresht is doing so nicely. Manvik is doing so nicely. I am so happy. Very good. Happy, happy. Everybody make happy face. Happy face, happy face. Happy, happy. Happy face. Everybody show sad face. Sad face. Very good, Yatharth. Sad. Everybody show excited face. Everybody show excited face. Excited! Yay! Yay! Everybody show bored face. Bored. मैं क्या करूं? Bored face. Everybody show angry face. I am angry. Angry face. I am very angry. Very good. Well done. Very good. Okay. So before going to the summer vacation, we learned a song, right? An elephant song. Do you guys remember an elephant song? Do you guys still remember it? No?
बोलो yes ma'am. बोलो yes ma'am.
Yes? Okay, so just let's revise it one more time, okay? It's like this. An elephant is big and fat. She walks about this way and that. She sways her trunk from side to side and gives us all a jolly good ride. Very good. One more time, okay? An elephant is big and fat. She walks about this way and that, sways her trunk from side to side, and gives us all a jolly good ride. Very good. Okay? You all remember this song, okay? So once you come back to school, then you can perform it in front of ma'am, okay? In front of everyone, okay? All right, children. So now, last time we have learned about greetings and introduction, okay? So along with children, parents also should know that greetings and introductions are very important for the children to know. So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening help them to learn it properly, okay? So wishing the elders in a particular time how to wish them, the children has to know, so parents can teach the children, okay? And another thing is introduction. Another thing is introduction, okay? So all the parents also need to teach their children about introduction, okay?
पहले वहाँ देखो.
Okay. So at first, if somebody will ask you, what is your name? Tell me what is your name. So you need to know the answer. You have to tell them that my name is Yatharth. My name is Shresht. My name is Manvik. So you are able to say, you should be able to say that, okay? You need to learn the answer of what is your name, okay? Just like if I ask Tom, अगर मैंने Tom से पूछा, what is your name? So Tom will answer, my name is Tom, okay? The Tom will answer like this, my name is Tom. So just like that, you also need to answer your name, okay? You also need to tell your name, okay? So, and another question is, how old are you? You need to be able to say how old are you, okay? So if I'll ask Yatharth, can you tell me how old are you, Yatharth? Can Yatharth tell me how old are you?
2 years old. बोलो बोलो 2
How
years
old are
old.
you,
बताओ
Yatharth?
बताओ ना.
No?
बताओ मैम को.
Yatharth is feeling angry. Yatharth has this angry face. That's all right, Yatharth. Okay. Can Manvik tell me? Can Manvik tell me how old is he? Manvik, how old are you? Manvik, how old are you? That's Manvik's mic is mute. Can he unmute and say how old is he?
2 years. मैं बनाना भैया.
How Manvik banana? That's all right. So Manvik should be able to say, I am 2 years old. Okay, Manvik? Shresht, can you tell me how old are you? Shresht? Shresht, can you tell me? Okay, so Shresht Mama will tell. Shresht Mama will tell. Shresht Mama, you answered.
3 years old.
Yes, very good.
3 years
Very
old.
good. 3 years old. Okay. So you should be able to say your age. All right, everyone. One more time. One more time again. What is your name? How old are you? And are you a boy or a girl? So I am a girl. But you have to say, what do you have to say? Very good. You are a boy. Very good, Yuvraj. Very good. So you should be able to say your gender. Okay. So if someone will ask, are you a boy or a girl? Yatharth will say, I am a boy. Yes, Yatharth? You will
No,
say?
I am a boy.
Boy.
Very good, Yatharth. Well done. Very good. Very good. Okay. Just like Shresht and Manvik should also say, I am a boy. Okay. So all these three things you have to remember it properly. What is your name? How old are you? And are you a boy or a girl? Okay. So now let's do some phonic sound. Okay, do you still remember the phonic sound or did you forget it? I hope you still remember the phonic sound, yeah?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay, so let's do the phonic sound. Wait. Just give me a moment here. Okay. We will see the picture as well as we'll sing, okay? A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for
Bolo.
cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish,
Fish.
fish. G is for goat, goat. H is for horse, horse. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for jug, jug. K is for kite, kite. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nest, nest. O is for orange, orange. P is for parrot, parrot. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, sun. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for watch, watch. X is for Xmas tree, Xmas tree. Y is for yak, yak. Z is for zebra, zebra. La 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 la, la la. Yay! Very good. Well done. Very good. I'm so happy, children. All of you are listening to me very nicely. This is very surprising. Very good. So now we'll do some Okay, so now we'll do some
मार्क पे भी फेल
swar.
हो गए सारे।
Okay. Okay, let's learn some swar. Okay, children. अ से अनार, आ से आम, होते हैं सब मिलकर काम। ई से इमली, ई से ईख, अच्छी अच्छी बातें सीख। ऊ से उल्लू, ऊ से ऊंट, एक एक कर भर लो खूंट। एक से एड़ी, ए से ऐनक, भाग रही दुश्मन की सेना। ओ से ओखली, औ से औजार, फले फूले सारा संसार। अम से अंगूर, आह से खाई, ना खाओ जितनी थाली। Do one more time, okay? One more time. One more time. अ से अनार, आ से आम, होते हैं सब मिलकर काम। ई से इमली, ई से ईख, अच्छी अच्छी बातें सीख। ऊ से उल्लू, ऊ से ऊंट, एक एक कर भर लो खूंट। ए से एड़ी, ए से ऐनक, भाग रहे दुश्मन की सेना। से ओखली, औ से औजार, फले फूले सारा संसार। से अंगूर, आह से खाई, उतना खाओ जितनी थाली। Very good. Everybody clap, clap, clap for yourself. Did you like this one? So did you all like the swar rhymes? Okay. So parents, I will send you the link. I will send you the YouTube link. You can just go through it, and you can also teach the children the same. Okay. Or you can just search it, Varnamala Geet Hindi alphabet song, and then also you can just find it. Okay. So make sure that your children is learning this swar song. Okay. So now let's do the counting rhymes. Okay, 1 2 buckle my shoe. Okay, so I will just everybody can just unmute yourself, and then we'll do a number song. Okay, 1 2 buckle my shoe. 3 4 shut the door. 5 6 pick up the sticks. 7 8 lay them straight. 9 10 a big fat hen. One more time, okay? One more time. 1 2 buckle my shoe. 3 4 shut the door. 5 6 pick up the sticks. 7 8 lay them straight. 9 10 a big fat hen. Okay, all right, children. So you should also know this song. Okay, you should also know this rhyme. 1 2 buckle my shoe. Okay. All right, children. So, how about now? How about we do some numbers? Okay, numbers. So, I guess you guys can unmute yourself, and then I will show you the number. I don't think this would be able to because my setting is not on mirror mirror settings, so but that's all right, I guess. Okay, so I'm just going to ask just like this. Okay, that's all right. So how about we do from this?
Zero.
So everybody can count along with me. Okay, I want all the children to count along with me. Okay, so how many peacock is here? How many peacock is here? One. How many peacock is here, everyone? One. Okay. How many dolls are here? How many dolls are here? One, two. Okay. How many squirrels are here? How many squirrels are here? One, two, three squirrels. How many cats are here? One, two, three, four cats. How many umbrellas are here? One, two, three, four, five umbrellas. Very good. Now, how many aeroplanes are here? How many aeroplanes? One, two, three, four, five, six aeroplanes. Wow. How many hats are here? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven hats. How many balloons are here? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight balloons. How many butterflies are here? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine butterflies. How many fishes are here? Look at the fishes. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10 fishes. Okay, very good. Clap for yourself. Very good. You're listening so nicely, everyone. Very good. Okay, so parents, the children should also know counting. Okay, like how to properly count. Okay, just knowing the numbers are not enough. Just knowing from 0 to 10 or 0 to 20 is not enough. The children also need to know the countings. They have to count the objects properly. Okay, so make sure that the children are also learning how to count along with the numbers. All right. So, okay. All right. How about we do some fruits name, okay? Let's go ahead and revise some fruits name, okay? I think all the children are very much fond of the fruits. Yeah? So, unmute yourself and then you can also answer, okay? Give an answer, okay? So, which fruit is this? Which fruit is this?
Mango.
Mango, yes. Yuvraj, you also try. Which fruit is this? Which fruit is this?
Banana.
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 Very good, Yatharth. Which fruit is this? Which fruit is this?
Apple.
Apple. Very good. Which fruit is this?
देखो वहाँ पे देखो.
Which fruit is this?
Grape.
Grapes. Yes.
Grape.
Grapes. Yes. Very good. Yuvraj, look at this. Which fruit is this? Which fruit is this? Yes. This is?
Orange.
Okay, this is orange. Very good, Yatharth. This is orange. That's good. But tell me this one now. Pineapple. Very good. Very good. Okay. So these all fruits are in your books as well. So make sure to look at this and learn it. Okay. Okay. All right, children. So how about now we go to animals. Okay. Animals. Animals. How many of you like animals? How many of you like animals? Yes, your third likes animals. That's okay. Okay, so which animal is this?
जोर से
Cow. Very good. Very good. Which animal is this? It's a
No.
dog. Very good. Which animal is this? It's a goat. Good. Which animal is this? It's a cat. Okay. Which animal is this? It's a
देखो आपके पास बताओ बताओ
it's a sheep.
Sheep.
Which animal is this? It's a
Horse.
horse. Good. Wow. Very good. Well done. So these all animals are also in your book. Look at them and learn them. Okay. Okay. So now how about we go to wild animals? Okay, wild animals. Okay, which animal is this? Which animal is this? This is the king of
Lion.
the jungle, lion. Yes. Which animal is this? Which animal is this? It's a
बोलो
tiger.
Tiger.
Tiger. Which animal is this? It's an elephant. Yes. Which animal is this? It's a which animal is this,
Monkey.
Shresh? Yes, that's good. It's a monkey. Which animal is this? It's a
Bear.
bear. And which animal is this? It's a
Yes.
deer. Yes. Okay. So, parents, I just want to clarify few things. D-E-E-R, we say deer, right? But B-E-A-R, we don't say bear. We say bear. Okay? Tell the children to say bear, not beer. Okay? It's bear. This is bear and this is deer. And I have heard most of the people also say lion. This is not lion. This is lion. Okay? All the children need to say lion. Lion, bear. Okay? Lion, bear. And this is deer. Okay? Very good, children. Well done. All of you are doing so good. Okay. So I think most of the children are very much tired because the summer vacation was going on so far and all of a sudden they had to do the classes again. So that's okay. So make sure that the children are revising things at home. Okay, make sure the children are revising things at home, whatever they have learned so far. Okay, and also from now on we are going to have classes on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Okay, 3 days a week we will have classes on Monday, Wednesday and Friday, 3 days a week. So make sure that the children are listening, and even if the children are not listening, I mean they are not able to sit at one place, so make sure that still the parents are there so that the parents can teach the children. Okay, if the children are not sitting at one place, not listening to the online classes, that is absolutely fine. I won't be saying anything because being in front of the screen and listening to teachers, it's not their forte. They are not at that age right now. Even if they are rolling on the ground and not sitting properly and listening to us, that is all right, but parents can still listen to me and then they can teach the same to the children. Okay, so we also have music classes on Tuesday and a dance class on Thursday. So that is totally optional. So you can, if the children feel, if the children wants to, attend, they can attend, or that's all right. Okay. So now let's do one more song, and that is season song. Okay, I would just be introducing the song season today, but from the coming week we will tell the children about season. This whole week we are going to tell the children about seasons. So parents, you are please you also teach the same to the children. This week will be throughout the week the theme would be of seasons. Okay, so right now we'll just do the song season. Okay, so children, are you all ready? Are you all ready? Let's do the season song. Okay, are you all ready? Everyone say, oh yes. Okay.
What's your favorite? What's your favorite season? Season. What's your favorite? What's your favorite season? Season. I like spring. I like spring. The flowers bloom. The flowers bloom. I like summer. I like summer. It's hot outside. It's hot outside. What's your favorite? What's your favorite season? Season. What's your favorite? What's your favorite season? Season. I like fall. I like fall. The leaves change color. The leaves change color. I like winter. I like winter. I love the snow. I love the snow. Spring. Summer. Fall. Winter. Spring, summer. Fall, winter. Spring, summer. Fall, winter. What's your favorite? What's your favorite season? Season. What's your favorite? What's your favorite season? Season.
Very good. Well done. You were listening so nicely. Very good. Okay, I will also make sure to send this link to the parents so you can also teach the children about the seasons. Okay? Okay, children? Yes? So I think that is it about today. So parents, make sure that the children will learn to wish. Okay, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. And also the introduction part, that is, what is your name? How old are you? And are you a boy or a girl? So greetings and introduction. Kindly make sure that the children are at least speaking a little. Okay. And also, I would be sending you the link of Swar and the link of Swar and the link of the season song. Okay, so throughout this week we are going to learn about seasons. So make sure that you are reminding the children also about seasons. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, children. Thank you so much, parents, again, one more time for coming to this online classes. I know it is hard, but that's all right. Let's try to make easier for the children. Let's try to do something for the children. Yeah. So even if the children are not coming, parents can
Bye,
do
ma'am.
it. All right. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you for coming. Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.